Hey, this is Cleet with the Local Guys Moving. Are you ready for your next venture across America? Here's moving adventure number 116. It is Alaska, and it's about the ancient rainforests. So next time you have a U-Haul truck, look for Sammy the U-Haul guy. Today we found him. He's hiding out in Songus National Forest near Ketchikan in Alaska. And here he is. He's taking a little dip in the ocean, actually.
We love Alaska.
We love U-Haul and Sammy the U-Haul guy. Learn more about adventures across America at uhaul.com. Where will you go next? Thanks, Asheville, Western North Carolina, Verde Vista, and